Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why the RTX 3050 will be useless. Let's head into it. Number 4. Which graphic cards will be released by NVIDIA?
We are super pleased with 3070, 3080, and 3090, the first three members of the Ampere generation.
According to video cards, the RTX 3080 Ti is not the only GeForce card that NVIDIA plans to release in January. Now, the website claims that the RTX 3050, RTX 3050 Ti, and RTX 3060, all built on the PG190 board, will also be released by NVIDIA. The release of 3 cards will follow the RTX 3060 Ti announcement, which is supposed to be due on December 2nd.
Specs for the RTX 3060 and 3050 Ti were just leaked.
Video cards adds that NVIDIA will release an RTX 3060 Ti with 8GB of VRAM. That has already been shown to have leaked images on the Gigabyte's GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Eagle OC. However, it's now thought that the RTX 3060 Ti will only come with 8GB of VRAM. This VRAM will be the GDDR6 and operate on a 256-bit bus at 14GB per second. By contrast, there will be 2 RTX 3060 VRAM SKUs. Apparently, NVIDIA will release GDDR6 versions of 6GB and 12GB of the card, albeit on a 192-bit bus. It's strange that the 12GB version runs at 16GB per second, 2GB faster than the 6GB SKU. January 2021, in short, is going to be a busy month for desktop graphic cards. On the one hand, the RX6700 and RX6700 XT are rumored to be announced by AMD. To add to the 3 RDNA 2 cards it has already announced. NVIDIA, on the other hand, is believed to have 4 cards ready for them, so there will be plenty of graphics cards to choose from next year. Number 3. What offers RTX 3050? The GeForce RTX 3050 Ti is an NVIDIA graphics card expected to be launched in the future. Built on 8nm process and based on the graphics processor GA106, the card supports DirectX 12 Ultimate and its GA106 200A1 variant. This ensures that on GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, all modern games will run. In addition, in upcoming video games, the DirectX 12 Ultimate capability guarantees support for hardware ray tracing, variable rate shading, and more. A large chip with a die area of 300mm squared and 13.25 million transistors is the GA106 graphics processor. NVIDIA has disabled some shading units on the GeForce RTX 3050 Ti to reach the target shader count of the product, unlike the fully unlocked GeForce RTX 3060, which uses the same GPU but has all 3,840 shaders enabled. It features 3,584 units of shading, 112 units of texture mapping, and 64 ROPs. 112 sensor cores that help improve the speed of applications for machine learning are also included. There are also 28 ray tracing acceleration cores on the card. NVIDIA has 6GB of GDDR6 memory paired with GeForce RTX 3050 Ti memory, which is connected via a 192-bit memory interface. The GPU operates at a frequency of 1695 MHz, which can be boosted up to 1725 MHz, and has 1750 MHz memory or 14GB per second effective. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti is a dual slot card that draws power from a 1x12-pin power connector with a maximum power draw rate of 150 watts. Outputs for display include 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. The GeForce RTX 3050 Ti is connected via PCI Express 4.0x16 interface to the rest of the system. The card measures 242mm in length, 112mm in width, and has a solution for dual slot cooling. Number 2. What offers the RTX 3060 Ti?
RTX 3060 Ti. This isn't a troll. I cannot believe what I'm looking at here. But then he goes ahead to proceed and unbox the thing.
It may have not been announced by NVIDIA yet, but the RTX 3060 Ti is certainly almost upon us. In the last 2 weeks, the volume of benchmark leaks practically confirms as much and implies that chosen reviewers are testing their cards before next week's announcement of the card. Apparently, on December 2, NVIDIA will announce that the RTX 3060 Ti, so reviews for the card may begin to appear within a week or so. The RTX 3060 Ti was spotted by video cards on 3D Mark this time, and Firestrike and TimeSpy, the upcoming card was benchmarked, providing a hint of its performance. Video card screenshots report the RTX 3060 Ti scoring 30,706 Firestrike points and 12,175 TimeSpy points, both of which are respectable scores for a card that is rumored to retail for $399. As expected, the RTX 3060 Ti outperforms the RTX 2080 Super by a small margin, with an average of 5% of the high-end Turing-based lead from the Ampere card. Despite its inferior specifications, case, the RTX 3060 Ti is not that far from the RTX 3070 either. NVIDIA's board partner Manly has already confirmed that the RTX 3060 Ti will have 4,864 CUDA cores and a 1,665 MHz boost clock, giving the card a 1,024 CUDA core and a 60 MHz disadvantage compared to the RTX 3070. Likewise, there are fewer tensor and RT cores on the RTX 3060 Ti, although it seems to have the same 8GB of VRAM as the RTX 3070. The RTX 3060 Ti averages 88% of the performance of the RTX 3070 in the two benchmarks, based on the figures provided by video cards. The former, however, is expected to retail for 79% of the latter's retail price, so the upcoming budget Ampere card from NVIDIA may offer better value for money than the RTX 3070.
Yeah, good performance, a lot cheaper for the 2080 Super or 1080 Ti in modern day via the 3060 Ti. Got a memory reduction, but performance is similar in gaming, so that's cool.
Number 1. Conclusion. The RTX 3060 Ti is, as you can see, simply amazing. And while the RTX 3050 is not bad either, there's no point in purchasing a graphics card that's just worse than the other, similarly priced one. This implies that the RTX 3050 is not going to be a terrible graphics card, but just a totally useless one. Instead, you should spend your money on the RTX 3060 Ti as it gives you much better features and it's just a lot more awesome in general. What do you think about the RTX 3050? Do you agree that it's useless? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch these two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.